So here's how you can see videos on the Apple Watch. So the thing that you should know about is that you can put a bunch of different photos on your Apple Watch, but it is just that, photos only. You cannot bring in any kind of videos. They're just not going to work on the Apple Watch, right? So you can see that I have a couple of videos in here, and I can add them to my favorites to make them show up on my Apple Watch, but I don't think that this is going to work, as the Apple Watch doesn't just play videos like that, right? So you can see that I have the favorites right here. I have them synced. A couple of different videos are in this folder, but only photos are popping up on my Apple Watch, as it just doesn't work through the Photos app. The only way, which I think is any use to bring videos to your Apple Watch, is through the Messages app. So if you open up a Messages and let's say you send some videos to yourself, right? Like you choose a specific video which you want to just send to someone. Let's say it's going to be to yourself through iMessage or, some different person. You can just send it right there, wait for it to load up, and then you should have the ability to check it out inside of the Messages right here. You want to make sure that you have it set up properly. Like, okay, so the new video just showed up in there. And right now you have the ability to play videos directly on the watch with the sound and everything. You can play and pause, but it's not the most convenient option. And let's be real, within the Messages app, it's not that useful. It would be much more useful to put it inside of the gallery, but it's just how it works on the Apple Watch. Apple, for whatever reason, doesn't want us to play videos on the watch. So that's everything I wanted to let you know about. If there is something else you want to know or a question you have, let me know about it in the comments. But for now, hit the thumbs up and I'll see you in the next tutorial.